Hey guys, this is Meg from This Mess Is Ours, and today we're back with another video in our Choose Your Own Recipe Adventure series. Today we're taking our basic cashew cream sauce and we're going savory. We're gonna make a roasted poblano and cilantro cashew cream sauce that is the most decadent taco topping you've ever had. If you want to know more about how to make a basic cashew cream that we're going to use as the base of this recipe, you should totally check out that video here. Let's talk ingredients. For this roasted poblano and cilantro cashew cream, you only need 6 ingredients. You need your basic cashew cream sauce, and then you're going to need a roasted poblano pepper, garlic, red onion, cilantro, and lime zest. Let's talk about equipment. You don't need much. So you're either gonna use a food processor fitted with the S-blade or a high-speed blender. For this recipe, you're gonna use a roasted poblano pepper. If you've never roasted a pepper before, it's super easy. So you're gonna place the pepper on a baking sheet lined with tin foil underneath the broiler in your oven. You're gonna broil it, depending on your oven, the whole process might take about 15 minutes, and you're gonna turn the pepper as you go. You'll know when to turn it because the pepper skin will puff away from the pepper and will actually turn dark brown or black. Once your whole pepper is roasted that way, you're gonna remove it from the oven and then transfer the pepper into a paper bag and roll down the top. The reason you wanna do this is kind of twofold. Number one, it gives it time to cool, but being in that bag allows it to steam and actually helps you to remove the skin from the pepper easier. So when you pull the pepper out of that bag when it's nice and cool, the skin will literally just peel off in big sheets and it won't take you very long at all. So now that you've removed all the skin from your poblano pepper, you can remove the stem and the seeds and then tear up the pepper and put it in your blender or your food processor, whichever one you're using. To that, you're gonna add your basic cashew cream, and then you're gonna roughly chop a red onion, the cilantro, and the garlic, add those in, and grate in the zest of 1 lemon. Now that all your ingredients are in the blender or the food processor, you're gonna blend them up until it's all incorporated and you have a nice, creamy, beautiful sauce. This cashew cream I love so much. I use it on tacos, burrito bowls, I swirl it into soups, top nachos. I send it in the lunchbox with my kids to dip veggies in. It's super versatile. You can use it for pretty much anything. If you haven't already checked out our basic cashew cream video, you can do that here. Or if you have and you're ready to get adventurous, you can go completely sweet with a decadent chocolate almond icebox cake. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments below. And if not, I can't wait to see you on our next food adventure.